welcome to Next Day Solar. We're here now in Southwest London. We're going to be installing a Viridian integrated system, and we're also going to be installing a 5 kilowatt solar inverter, and we're going to be installing two Pylon-Tech 4.8 kilowatt batteries. And as you can see behind me, the roof is completely open, and we have a little bit of tiles going on there, but not much, and it gives us enough space to actually walk around and fit the bracket in for the panels and let it sit in. And this is our Viridian integrated system, which is going to be very quickly and easy to do. And we're hoping it doesn't rain today and it's a beautiful day to enjoy it.
We'll work to 130. Then we'll work to 130 off of that back.
Right. Okay, I'm gonna run this one from there and cut it to size and make it up there.
With a Viridian panel, first you fit the panel to the roof. That will fit straight to the rafters and to the battens with the brackets that are provided in the fixing kit. Just get a bit in there, just make sure it's more on side. And then, yeah, if you lay flat on the battens then lads.
I'm flat, you've got your foot.
Yeah. Once we fix the panel to the body of the roof, then what we do then is you need to lubricate up the gasket that's found all the way around the four sides of the panel. And then the flashings just push in. So you start with the bottom flashing, principles of roofing always overlapping, and then you work the side flashings, gradually building yourself up until you get up to the top flashing, which will seal the system. So what I do is I follow the profile, get that wing out and then in the gasket, so I'm right here. And then you want to go over the top of like the cover, see over the top of the, keep it down there.
Over the top of the cover flashing.
Yes, that's it, and then push down together. A bit of black rubber above it, then you know you're in the right place. You see the bit of black rubber above?
Yeah.
And then let me just go down. What I do is just when I'm on my own, put it in there.
Yeah, that's good.
It's a bit going down so far, I use that to run up. No, so I can do it when I'm on my own.
Yeah. Techers, these are the techers I need to know. That's what I like, that's what I do.
Once all the flashings are pushed into the gasket, the system becomes sealed then, and then it all dependent on the tiling that will be finished onto the side flashing there.
So we fitted here 7 panels, and as you can see, the 2 panels on there on the dormer roof, we've managed to fit the flashings just before the rain started. And this is what we're going to do with the rest of these panels, which is fitting the flashings. And we're also going to add some TIG optimizers to the system because we need it, and some of the panels will be facing in a different position, and we want to optimize that system and to the fullest of its capacity. And then we move on to the other side, and we're going to do the other 8 panels and 2 panels on the dormer side.
On this particular project we're using an arc protection box. That means every homemade connection gonna go into the box, and in case of a failure within the connection, the roof never gonna catch fire. As it contains and it's kind of kill itself, it melts itself away. Because it's an in-roof system, we're trying to avoid any kind of danger of any fire in the roof.
So we've reached the end of this video. The job is done and we finished all 90 panels. Thanks to Jamie, we managed to do it quickly. Battery is fitted, inverter is fitted, everything is working fine. If you want to have a system like this, please contact us at nextdaysolar.co.uk and we'll sort you out. Thank you very much for watching the video and see you on the next one.